I'm going to show you how to combine the powers of Google Translate and CPA marketing to make a boatload of cash. You don't need to pay for a single thing with this method. You don't need any fancy skills. You don't need any experience. All you need is your device, a working internet connection, and the step-by-step instructions that I'll be breaking down for you. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. First thing you need to do is head over to Google Translate and get familiar with that. Basically, you pick the original language that you're writing in on the left and the language that you want it to be translated into on the right. It's super simple, and I'm sure most of you know how to use it already, but in case you don't, you should definitely get familiar with it. The next thing you want to do is head over to cpagrip.com. Here's a quick reminder of what CPA marketing is. CPA marketing stands for Cost Per Action Marketing. And this is different from standard affiliate marketing because you get paid per action rather than per purchase. Most CPA marketing offers just need people to sign up for something or fill out a quick form for you to get paid. And they usually offer a giveaway so that people are incentivized to fill out the form. CPA marketing is perfect for beginners because you don't actually need to get anybody to buy anything. You just need them to fill out a simple form and they're already incentivized by the giveaway to do so. Can't get any easier, right? Now, this is one of my favorite CPA marketing websites because they have instant approval and they have plenty of offers for you to pick from. So go to cpagrip.com, then you want to click right here where it says Register Now. Go ahead and fill in the basic information. And when you're logged in, you can see all these other people who have already been paid by CPA Grip. Like, look at this person here. All these people are making thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars from this site, which is super reassuring and proves that CPA marketing truly does work. I would recommend that you use CPA marketing to make a good lump of cash that you can then invest into a longer-term online business. That's how I did it, and it was definitely worth it. Anyways, on the left-hand side, you want to come right here where it says Offer Tools, and you want to click on My Offers. Now, one of my secret weapons when I was getting started with CPA Grip was that I was not using the English-speaking offers. English-speaking offers are good if you have high volumes of traffic, but I was focusing on a small volume of traffic from higher-paying quality countries. So, if you put United States here and hit enter, you're going to see that these offers are paying you like $2. Now, don't get me wrong, if you get 1,000 of these, that's like $2,000 and that's pretty good money. But the most you are going to get paid for these offers is like $5, and usually that's rare. But if you search for another country like Italy and look at the highest paying offers, these are going to be paying you like $28. You can see these offers are just like credit card submits or SMS submits or something to do with things like a subscription. Basically, these offers pay a lot higher. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't know Italian, so how can I promote these offers? Well, that's where Google Translate comes in for the rescue. Let me take you through the process. So what you gotta do is just click on any of these offers and you can see all the details. This one is gonna pay you $28 and the offer looks like this. It's an iPhone 13 Pro giveaway. And people obviously need to subscribe with their SMS or their credit card. Maybe like $1 submit or something like that. And for every one of these, you are going to get paid $28. Now, in the tracking domain, select Mode Files, and then this is going to be your affiliate link. You want to copy this link. The next thing you need to do to maximize your earnings is to go to easylinks.io, which is a link shortening site. I recommend this one because they pay you for Italian traffic, and you get paid $6.40 for 1,000 views from Italy. So all you have to do is now go to EasyLinks, click on Dashboard, and you want to shorten your link. So just paste it right here, and because this is an iPhone 13 giveaway, I will add iPhone 13 and add IT, which stands for Italy, and click on Shorten. And and then this is going to be my link that I will be sending all the traffic to. Now, you just gotta send traffic here from Italy, and you are going to be getting payouts from Easy Links, which is pretty much just from the visitors, and also from every single person who is going to complete this Italian offer for iPhone 13 Pro. Obviously, not everybody is going to complete, but I will show you how to get about 1,000 visitors, okay? So this is the website we will be using to get traffic. Next step, you want to add your website right here. So this is where you add the shortened link. Click on Add a Website, and now we need to add a title, headline 1, and headline 2. And this is where Google Translate comes into play. So we're going to use the offer name, so you can win iPhone 13 Pro right now. This is what I'm going to use. I'll just copy that and I will put it right here. I'll copy the Italian translation and paste it into the title bit here. And then here, for what is the language of your ad and web page, you want to put Italian, and then for targeting, you can just select Italy. And then you can see 1 extra credit. Now, if you have 1,000 of these credits, that's 1,000 visitors from Italy. And then just scroll all the way down, and you want to click right here on the save option. And this is going to finalize your ad, and it's going to post it onto the network. And for every single person that's going to complete it, you will get $28. Now, the name of the traffic website is trafficadbar.com. Another way that you can get free traffic is by using social media or forums. You can set up an Instagram account, for example, that's dedicated to giveaways. And then you can just comment on people's posts or DM people with the giveaway and get traffic that way. You can also post on Reddit or Quora forums, but just be sure that you don't spam everywhere. Write a few words and make it personal before including your shortened CPA link. And you can, of course, Google Translate the words that you use when writing personally. And now all you really need to do is just recreate this for multiple accounts, for multiple offers, just by leveraging Google Translate. So you can do it for English and Italian, and then English and French, for example. And you can get conversions from French traffic as well, or from whichever country you like. I would recommend taking it one offer at a time. So you can pick one offer, see which countries it's available in, and then go through the highest paying languages using Google Translate to promote the same offer in multiple different countries. That way, you're making the most of the offers that are available and making the most money possible. And that's it for today's incredible tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on an incredible money-making opportunity. See you in the next video.